Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you a very interesting tool that has a lot of potential for AI powered automation. So AI powered automation is taking over all the companies, and in the forefront of these technologies is a company called n8n. So you can automate various things in here, whether it is IT operations, whether it is development operations, sales operations, all those things can be automated. As you can see, this is an IT operation here. When a user create a form, then that form is passed on to an AI agent. So this AI agent can be hooked up with a model, AI model that can be OpenAI, or here if you see, Anthropic chat model has been used. So here there can be a memory, PostGRES chat memory to store the information in the chat. Then from here there is this Microsoft Entra ID using which you can get the user. Then there is this Jira software. Here you see some logic that has been put, whether it is a manager. If it's a manager, if it's true, then add to Slack channel. If it is not a manager, update the profile to a user. So similarly, you can see various other operations on new issue, extract IP and domains, virus total scan. So a lot of automation can be done, as you can see here. There's another DevOps funnel, convert natural language command into API calls. So if you go here, this is sales, generate customer insights from grouped reviews. So get reviews, then apply k-means algorithm, cluster it to the list. Then customer insights agent using an OpenAI chat model will give insights in Google Sheet. So there are a lot of integrations, over 500 plus integration is possible with AI. So you can build multi-step agents calling custom tools. As you can see here, you can chat with your own data. You can have self-hosting available for all these AI models, but cloud is preferred because there everything runs on the cloud. You don't have to manage anything there. So there are some of the interesting case studies also here. How delivery heroes save 200 hours each month with a single IT operations workflow. Then they have used how Stepstone finished 2 weeks work in only 2 hours with n8n workflows. So similarly, there are a lot of workflows that you can see here, which is being used to achieve certain tasks. So I'm showing you one example. I have created this Vappy AI calling video. So in that one, you can come to here in n8n and you can create a workspace. It's very easy to create a workspace. You can pull in any component that you want. If you want to put a Telegram bot, then you can pull in the Telegram component. You see this Telegram component? If I pull in here, you can get a chat information, you can leave a chat, it can get a file, it can send an audio file, you can unpin a chat, send a video. Anything can be done using this agents, this information module that you see here. If I want WhatsApp Business Cloud is available. If I want to integrate with Google Sheet, I can say Google Sheet, it will come here. That's why it's called a lot of integrations are possible here. If I want to pull a model, right? So if I want to pull an AI agent, then I can pull that too. So that model will come here. So let me try to pull it and show it to you. Okay, so let me pull this AI agent. Okay, so now this AI agent can be pulled up to a chat model, memory, tool, and other things. So for this example, I'm not doing all those things. What I'm doing is I am connecting it to a Google Sheet. So I'll show you how it is working. So in this Google Sheet, I have information about the status of an exit process in a company. Okay, so if an employee is leaving, that information is stored in that Excel sheet. So this is a trigger. So when I trigger this workflow, it will initiate a call using Vappy. So in Vappy, if you see, it will pass on various parameters, and based on the current status of the exit for that employee, it will trigger a call. So if I just execute this flow, I will start receiving a call. So let me start this and show it to you how it works. So now when I execute this, you can see I will start getting a call in my phone. Okay, so this is executed, trigger. Okay, Now I started receiving a phone call in my phone. So let me try to cancel it for now. So that is how this works. Now if I show you one more workspace, I can create any number of workspace if I want, and you have 1000 executions free. I just used 8 out of 1000 execution for my trial. So this is a very useful tool. You can check it out. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.